Let me see your hands.
Yeah, no problem, sir.
What did you do?
I don't even know.
Don't move. Don't move.
She's in the driver. Sir.
He had those boxes in his hands like.
Don't move. Don't move.
Yeah, I'm not going nowhere, sir.
So everything's 10-4. We have one in custody. Stand by. Don't move.
I'm not moving, sir.
Nope. Don't unlock the door.
You said don't move.
Unlock the door. Unlock the door.
Unlock the door.
You're fine. You're fine.
No, I'm not. He has a gun.
You're fine. Unlock the door. Unlock the door. Don't lock the door on us.
I'm not. He's gonna shoot me.
He's not gonna shoot you. You want to go home? Unlock the door so we can.
You're not.
Get your.
I'm scared, officer.
Unlock the door. Don't. Oh shit. Oh shit. Get. Hey, she just hit 118. 108. 108. Eastbound Jor. Central, send me the ambulance right now. I got him.
Hold on. Don't. I don't even know who she was.
Central, have him step it up. She just ran over 118.
Shut the fuck up. Y'all the ones selling the fucking packages. You fucking lying.
You northbound Torrence,
Man, this gotta just help me with my car.
108, stay with
Call
them.
the ambulance. Call the ambulance.
We got him.
That fucking bitch hit her.
Don't move, dude. Don't move.
That bitch just ran him the fuck. Dude, he should have shot her ass. I knew he should have shot her. And he gonna say he don't know who she is. She just picked up. Y'all the ones stealing the packages.
Go northbound Torrence. He's heading towards Lynwood, Lansing. High rate of speed.
I know the neighbors that live here.
Stay with him. Go to Isper if you can. She just ran over 118. Satch, we get medics here quick.
Hey, on neighborhood watch, they bitch. Stealing shit, man.
You alright?
That bitch just literally hit this man. You need some water, anything, man? God damn. Don't move. Chill.
Hey, 170, you available? Come on here.
That bitch just literally fucking hit him. She was on some drugs, man.
Yeah, she's.
Him too.
Yeah, I know. We got him.
I can tell how she was moving. So they the ones
Central,
stealing
see
shit.
if Sauk Village or Glenwood has a unit to come over here.
Listen, that package was on the porch when we came here. Now it's on the fucking driveway. First of all, they pulled in this driveway. Nobody even live here.
Well, with George, we can send you know somebody.
Man, shut up. Shut up. Ambulance, come on.
Central, what's 23?
You sure y'all need anything, man? No water, nothing?
We're gonna come talk to you after we're done. Yeah, thank you.
That bitch just literally fucking hit him.
You got hit pretty hard by a girl who took off.
Hey, how you doing?
I don't know.
You don't know.
My legs, my hip.
How's your head, neck, and back?
I don't know.
Well, I can tell you the house
I'm trying to move.
she stayed where we take
You got him 606, 618. Heading over here.
Just okay. Okay.
618 is going to Lynwood?
I'm back down here.
She
Sore?
Okay.
hit him head on.
Password 202 with you. It's in route from your agency.
No, the car hit him head on. And
Can you move your feet for me?
Good. Can you move your toes?
18, I got your firearm.
Chicago, this is Junior 108 from Lynwood in pursuit of a vehicle that struck an officer. Westbound.
Where'd you, just right over here when they hit you?
Right here where he's at.
Okay. All right. We'll grab that. Don't put this.
I don't know why I didn't shoot him. Sorry, Sarge.
Dude. She's cracked out, man.
I know.
You did nothing wrong. All right. Hey, Chief, can you help? I'm gonna deal with this guy over here.
Well, I can show you the house where we was at. Where she was at.
Come on, man.
Tell your name.
Stand up. Stand up.
I promise you. I can show you the house down the street where she says where she was hanging out with her 3
At
friends.
Lansing, car central down there pursuit. They struck 118. He's right behind me.
Cynthia.
Hey man, if you want to kick his ass, my cameras don't work.
All right.
Melissa Cynthia is just what you should have named was, bro.
You deserve
Want to see the house?
You got any needles on you?
No,
Or
no.
crack pipes?
No.
I'm not just...
She's got the crack pipe on her, bro. She's got the crack pipe on her. Well, I can show you right around the corner.
Spread your legs.
I can give you the number that she called. We talked on and everything.
What's her name?
Melissa Cynthia.
What is it?
Melissa Cynthia.
Okay.
And it's like, you know where that PK pantry is at?
Yeah.
Behind there is where we was hanging out. It said it was a friend's house.
What do you got in your mouth? Nothing?
Nothing.
Who's her friend?
Her name was Katie and Doug. These 2 dudes. They were all smoking shit and sniffing.
All right, see ya.
Okay.
You got his weapon, Judge?
Yep.
Okay. There's other officers coming. You want them to slow down?
Well, I don't.
Well, I've been told by our buds to stay off the van. So,
Yeah.
Can you grab my phone in my car, please?
Yeah. I've had a chance.
okay, I told them to.
I will. Lynwood base from 194.
194.
Careful, Keenan.
Yep, I know. I'm just gonna...
Hey, I just lost my body camera.
Let's take your duty belt off, okay? Your gun's secured? Yes, sir.
Is this your squad?
Yeah.
191, 3200 on that 3.
Why is he calling?
3200, be advised, Weinberg is en route. I'm attempting to get a hold of the chief.
I got one in custody on the ramp of I-80. One female white. Eastbound ramp.
Hey, Doug, they got
I-80.
it. Anthony
One
got it.
female white in custody.
Message received, one female in custody on the eastbound I-80 ramp.
Here. Thank you.
Central putting a note. I dropped my body camera pursuing her. Taser deployed.
10-4, taser deployed. You dropped your body camera in the pursuit.
I just put the cameras on that house, so I think they catch something if you need some files. We just put them on.
Yeah. What do you live there, or?
I'm not living here, I'm just installing them.
Okay.
I believe, you should see something.
Okay.
Fire department's responding for a medical alarm at 113911. 113911.
That goes to a cell.
All right.
Unit 206.
Yeah. Yeah.
They got somebody, a female in custody at I-80, that's one?
Yep.
Okay.
I got the other guy in the car. Yeah, they ran him over right in front of me. I almost shot her. Exactly. But the car was moving, so I.
No, the wheels go over him?
No, it hit him, and then he fell to the side.
Okay.
But it was hard. It was hard.
Didn't go over.
Yeah.
These things.
We had her blocked. She locked the door, and I ran to the passenger. I was gonna pull her out. She put it in drive.
108 Central, I need a tow also at this location.
Meanwhile, this guy's handcuffed next to her on the floor.
Paid off, 'cause I heard it going down.
Is your vehicle involved in the accident as well?
It's gonna be a fleet vehicle and one civilian.
Huh?
No, it's gonna be right at the junction on Torrence before the expressway.
pick up that debris can, please. I left both phones in the office. Thank you. Victor, you want any pictures of the scene?
I got my body camera.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah. Hey, Derek, I know you're a little busy. Those boxes that are next to the garage, is that what he had in his hand?
Picked them up off the porch, and when I pulled up, he hurried up and set them next to the garage.
All right, all right.
Okay.
Oh, he's not. The officer's not. It's we got a call for these guys who still packages. Find him, locks him in. They just try to hit him. The guy gets out. I cuff the guy outside. She's in the car freaking out. I go to the driver's side. Locks the door. The passenger's open. I run to the passenger.
They don't live here. They were just.
Yeah, I mean, fucking nailed him, dude. That was.
Okay.
He's hurt, dude.
Did he go under the car?
No, he hit him so hard he flew up to the side. I mean, so we pursued him. They got him up here on this one.
Yeah, I heard it.
They got him. Yeah. I mean, she fucking nailed him, dude. He's in my car. I mean, she fucking hit him up, dude.
Yeah.
I was close. I came to fucking shooting someone.
This is nice over there. I never been over there.
All right.
Where'd he from?
He's saying he's telling us everything, but I'm just worried about him. I don't know.
He talking and stuff?
Yeah, he's talking, but he's hurt, dude. The neighbors even ran over and they're gonna beat him up for us.
Where'd it happen? Right over here?
Right here in the yard. So we had them blocked in the driveway. They're backing in.
Pulling into people's
Yeah,
driveways and
yeah. So he had them blocked, so it was right next to the squad car. You see the tire marks?
stuff? Yeah.
I'm gonna photograph it quick with my camera.
You say they caught the car?
Yeah, they got him.
They got him?
Yeah, I let him. We have a no chase policy, but
Something like that.
I'll take paper for this. Actually, this isn't even included in our policy, but they can rob me up for that. I said, fuck, keep chasing him.
Who chased?
Huh? Anthony, we all got here at the same time. While she was taking off, I was chasing. I was running after her. He came right behind her. I said, fuck, keep pursuing her.
712,
Yeah, my sergeant told me to if it comes on the road.
Yeah, and then they got in a foot chase on the highway.
ambulance responding to Sunrise Senior Living 19715 Governors. Your patient is confused.
We'll go call Dave.
ECAM, Summerway, FD can advise on it.
10-4-7-12 disregard.
170, 194. No, he's not.
108 to 94 have ran close. Do you want me to stand by or bring it back?
Yeah, bring it to the station, and we'll tow the car back to our station also.
I'm sure you know this, but that house has cameras all
Yeah,
over.
he told me.
Okay.
Thank you.
What's up, Jess?
I'm trying to get a hold of Ozus. He needs to. We need to photograph the scene there because it's
Yeah.
fucking nailed him right in front of me hard, dude.
Yeah, so now, is it a white chick?
Yes, he's in the car. The male has in the car.
Okay, because
He's giving her name and everything.
White? Because she was in our town yesterday, stealing packages.
Yeah, I saw her picture on a flyer recently.
The one in Orland just chasing, they crashed and all that. No, not that one.
617,
That was a female white.
Hey, Dave. Hey, can you come out here and photograph the scene with the camera? This is going to be ag bag gets a police officer. Oh, we had call for a theft of packages. Derek finds him,